Guys, it is 1:19 p.m. I am, let's see, currently, I'm pulling up the fasting app on my phone. It works when it wants to, but still drinking all my water. Hadn't sipped on it since the last video, but 3 hours and 35 minutes into a 24-hour fast. I did start it at 9:45 exactly, so you guys can see that. The pork just finished, so my husband will have that if he wants to make carnitas with it or whatever, but he has that, and I have fluids. So, not even gonna lie, the smell in my house from the roast cooking has my mouth watering. I'm watching, my phone is iffy, but I'm watching YouTube. We're going on a cruise. I don't know if I mentioned it, but June, for my husband's birthday, we're going to California for our first time. It's not a cruise, we're just going there. We already booked our hotel and everything. We're taking the dogs with us. We're staying at Motel 6, which they do allow dogs. But for my birthday in October, we're going on a 5-day Caribbean cruise, leaving out of Galveston, Texas, going to Cozumel and Yucatan. The day of my birthday, which is the 14th of October, we will be in Yucatan, and then the day after we'll be in Cozumel, which I have to book for Mr. Sanchez. Everybody says go to Mr. Sanchez, so I'm going to do my best to behave on my diet lifestyle plan between now and our vacations to enjoy the vacation, try all the things. So also we're looking at booking a cruise in December for the Bahamas, but that one would be like either a 3 or 4 day cruise, leaving either out of Fort Lauderdale or Cape Canaveral. Haven't decided just yet, but I've been looking at the cruise prices for, well, our first cruise we're going to do a balcony. The second one for the Bahamas, we'll probably do an interior room, and we are going on Carnival. So my husband's cousin, she's a travel agent, so she already took care of all that stuff for us. Yeah, so we have that already. We have my October cruise already booked. We're making monthly payments on that, so that's sweet. Also, we are going to book and plan in advance, in the midst of everything from my October cruise being paid for in the process, and then the December cruise being paid for in the process once I get that deposit money, which should be next month exactly, because I have to get my passport also, because in May of 2021 we are going to go to Alaska through Carnival as well, which will be a few days after our wedding anniversary. Our wedding anniversary is May 1st, and I think the cruise is like a few days after it leaves out. And for that one, we're also going to leave out of California. We're driving to California for my husband's birthday. We're driving to Galveston for my cruise, but we're going to fly to Orlando or Fort Lauderdale for the Bahamas cruise, and we might drive again for May of 2021 for our Alaskan cruise. I'm not a big flyer, so if I can drive, it's good. We drove to Vegas, which was about a 13 to 14 hour ride because of the snowstorm that we were driving through Dorothy back in November for Thanksgiving. It's a 17-hour drive from here to California, and a 14 to 15 hour drive from here to Galveston. So I have family in Waxahachie and San Antonio, Texas, so we'll stay overnight with them. I have family in Orlando, so we'll stay overnight with them and then probably get an Uber or a shuttle to Cape Canaveral or Fort Lauderdale. My uncle lives in Hollywood, so we have places to stay overnight so we don't have to spend money on hotels, except for the California leg of everything. But as you can see, again, here's my timing on my fasting app, and just going to chug my water. What I was trying to say was I'm watching cruising vlogs from Life with Favor, Parodeejay, Adventures Ahead, and a few other ones. I don't know if I can try to link their channels in the description box below, but I'm getting all the gist of the cruising bug, you know, watching their vlogs and stuff like that, and all their food posts and pictures and things like that just got me salivating, and all kinds of things which I shouldn't be watching because I'm trying to fast, but at the same time I need to keep myself occupied mentally and physically, and so that's helping, except the smell of food in my house that I'm cooking right now. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm almost 4 hours in. I'll come back closer to the 12-hour mark, which would be 9:45 p.m. tonight. So maybe every 3 to 4 hours I'll do an update, a quick check-in. Like I said, you guys are gonna see me in this all day. I'm chilling. It's my day off. But let me finish this so I can fill it up for the second time because I haven't been drinking any water. Anyways, I'll check in with you guys